Hey everyone, okay, so today's is a very quick video, I hope, but also informative, I hope. So I've mentioned the tissue technique before, which is where you place a tissue on the outside corner of your eye, and I'll show you now. And it's a very simple technique, but sometimes the simplest techniques are the hardest, and a lot of people can struggle with this technique, not just because it leaves a hard line, which you can remove, but because it can distort the eye. And I'm going to show you how to avoid that. So all you want to do is take a tissue, just a normal tissue, and you want to make sure that it's aligned correctly. So let's zoom in a bit. So what you want to do is take the tissue, and you want to make sure that the outside corner is at the tail of the brow. And then just place the tissue along the fold. Now the goal here is to connect this area of the eye to this lower corner. And this will give us an elongated look, particularly if we then decide to take a blending brush and just extend it out kindly. Seems simple enough, right? So here's the problem, especially if you have eyes like mine, or at least my age, where the skin moves more than it would if you were 12. Place the tissue at the end. Now a lot of people will do this. They'll press it here. This does two things. It pinches this eye here, the skin here, it pinches it and it distorts it. It can either cause a crease, an unnatural crease, or it pushes this bit up. So you're not able to connect that lower corner properly. So all you need to do, and it's this simple, is place it on the outside corner of the brow, but take your middle finger and place it down by your nose. Therefore, you are no longer pinching this corner of the eye. And this is the area here that you want to connect, because when you connect this, it pulls everything together. Your whole eye look on the outside corner is connected. And again, right to the outside corner, and then you kind of just line it up. You go, okay, you find the outside corner of the eye where you want to connect, and you may have to go over the nostril, and then you hold it. And now this is the area that you connect right here. So you go into the crease, connect it down, take a clean brush and very kindly just pop it out. It's that simple. But just by moving the finger from here, because you can see it's starting to crease here, to there, you get an easier line. It's not so pinched, and that outside corner, when pinched, can be incredibly irritating because it will give you a different look to the one that you were planning on achieving. There you go, quick tip, give it a go. Let me know how you think. You can see with a lot of the eyeshadow looks that I do, I always start with the lower eyelid here, bring it out just a fraction past this outside corner, then I draw it in, and then I will often take tissue, place it here, and here, and I will then take a blending brush and blend the line that I've just created while pulling it out and connecting it underneath. It's very simple, but it's easy to get wrong. Let me know what you think. Leave it down there. Short video. Mwah! See you next time. Bye-bye.